Hello my little darklings, welcome again to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a black plague look, Plage Noir look. This weekend would have been the Plage Noir festival, but it got postponed till around Halloween time. I went to the one 2 years ago, 2018. Here's the shirt. So I'll be doing a look today. I've already got my base on here. I used a white concealer from Jeffree Star and baking here. I have an idea in mind of what I'm going to do with this look to make it look like I have the Black Plague. Ooh. So to start off with, I'm going to be using the middle shade here in the Shade and Light palette. I'm going to put that on the base of my eye here. So I'm doing a lot better. Things are going a little smoother for me. It was kind of rainy earlier today, but it cleared up. It was nice this morning. There was this weird rainstorm, and now it's nice again this evening. So V&V Nation, they played at Plage Noir, the festival, 2 years ago. It was awesome, and tonight they'll be doing an interview on Das Machine Online Edition. I will link it down below in my info box. Okay, we got the base on here. Next, I'm going to be using Suede from the Metal Matte palette. I love this palette. I'm going to use this for my contour. Just putting it in the crease here. I'm going to be using the Blue Blood palette and this Metal Matte palette here. Like grays and blues and blacks. Just kind of give me a deathly, sickly look here. Okay, we got the contour part of the eyes done. Next, I'm going to be using gray. This dark gray here in the Metal Matte palette, Stone. I love this shade. It's a really good matte gray. My flat eyeshadow brush from Ulta. Just going to be putting it all on the base of my eye here. So yesterday I was playing with encaustic paints. It's with a heat gun and a hot plate. There's a video of it in my Twitch and pictures on my Instagram. It's linked down below too. So I'm going to use a flat brush here, Jeffree Star, and put some on the lower part of my eye. So this doesn't really need to be neat because we're going for like the Black Plague look, like the plague, kind of messy. I was looking for a blue eyeliner too, like a blue pencil, but I just have a gray. So I'm going to be drawing like gray lines on my face, kind of look like veins. And I got a blue lipstick, make my lips look a sickly blue color. Okay, we're gonna blend this out, like buff it out a little bit here. So I've been working in my studio and just been doing everything to stay busy here. The festival is really nice. The Plage Noir festival, it got postponed due to the current situation. It's in the OC. It's really nice. It's a really big pain in the butt to get there on the trains though. It take like 3 trains to get there when I went. I also went for my birthday too, 2 years ago. So I went in April and I went in June of 2018. It's really pretty in the OC, but it never gets warm by the beach there. It's like kind of still cool and chilly in April, and it's in Germany. I'm gonna be using the crease brush here, put black in there. This jet color black is really good in the Metal Matte palette. It's a really deep, dark, true black. Gonna put that on the edge, the outer part, and blend it out a bit. So if you have any ideas for a look you'd like me to do, just put it in the comments below. Please like, please share, please subscribe, leave a comment, little love. Okay. Looking nice and spooky here. Okay, I'm gonna get another fluffy brush. I think we're done with the Metal Matte palette. I'm gonna add some pale blue. Hopefully it's not too vibrant here. I'm gonna use the Blue Blood. Use I'm Cold here. We're going for like a matte look, not sparkle. There were no sparkles in the Black Plague. So I won't be using a highlighter today. It isn't too pigmented, it does kind of look like a sickly blue here. I might put it all over my face, like little blue, like patches of like the veins coming through. I'm gonna dust off my bake now. I don't think I'm gonna need it anymore. Just dust off with this little brush here. So I dyed my hair too, like a black. I shaved it on the side. I'll show you that later when I have the finished look together here. Okay, we're gonna add some more blue. There's just some blue specks. Kind of see that. Kind of looks like a bruise or something. Like your veins coming through, looking sickly with the chills or the fever. I was looking up symptoms of the Black Plague, kind of like to have like a reference. So it was chills and fever, and there was also like growths on the lymphoids, whatever that is, lymph nodes. But I'm not going to be making any growths on my face here. That does kind of make it look a little bit sick, like sickly looking. There's a green in here too, hopefully not too bright, minty. Let's try to add some green. If you kind of shear it out, it looks good. If it looks okay, it gives you kind of like this sickly look. Like if you put it on like full pigment, it looks like too vibrant and some nice green under the eyes. Look extra sickly here. I think that looks good. I think we're looking a little bit peaked here. Next, I have a gray eye pencil. I was looking for a blue to like make some veins, but we're just gonna make do with a gray here. Just gonna randomly draw like kind of like veins coming through. I might blur it out a bit. I don't want to do too many, just kind of look random here a little bit. I'm going to be adding eyeliner, mascara, and do my eyebrows black here. Yeah, let's draw some down here, why not? Okay, let's try shearing it out with a brush now. I would use a dense brush here. Just make it look like it's poking through the skin, like peeking out, not too thick. Let's kind of experiment with which brush works best here. I think that looks good there. I'm gonna add some more blue down at the base of my neck, kind of like a contour. I'm gonna be going back into the ice cold shade. I'm going into blue blood here for a contour on my cheeks. You can mix it with some power here. It's got like a dark gray color. Kind of dulls down that color a bit. Okay, I think we're looking pretty sickly here. I am going to put some eyebrows, mascara, and eyeliner on. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back. I got my eyebrows on, my eyeliner, and my mascara. Now I'm going to be doing lipstick. It's going to be kind of messy. I'm not going to be doing like a precise line. So I have Medusa here. It was in the Blue Blood lip bundle. So we're just gonna kind of make our lips look kind of blue and sickly here. I'm gonna be blotting with a Kleenex. I've got diamond here too. It's kind of like a light blue. Maybe we can sheer it out. It can look like our lips are blue here. Sheared out, it looks really good. And I've also got Ice Tray. That's kind of a blue too. It's really bright, but sheared out. Could look pretty good. Kind of want to go over your lip line and just have it blurry, like your whole lip area is turning blue. It looks kind of like a bruised color look here. Just trying to get the pigment down. Let's add a little more gray. I think we lifted too much off. Color on the edges. Okay, we are looking nice and sickly here. I think the makeup's done now. I'm gonna go set it. Wow, that looks good. It looks like we do have the plague. I don't feel like putting contacts in. I usually don't like to put contacts in unless I'm going out. I could have done like some black contacts or have some like solid white ones, but I just don't want to put them on, so I'm just like sitting in the house. But you get the idea. Picture that, all white. Okay, I think we're done. I'm gonna do the setting spray and put the rest of my outfit on and we'll be done. See you in a second. The plague. Hey, I'm back. I did my hair. You can see here that I dyed it black before. I got it shaved. I just slicked it back. I've got these anchor earrings in, ready to go to the Aussie to see the Plage Noir festival. But it's postponed till around Halloween. Got my little nose ring in. It's got little skulls on it. Here's a full of my shirt here. You can see Plage Noir Festival 2018. And there's the back. VV Nation is on there somewhere. Suicide Commando. I got my leggings on here. They're like Giger, like biomechanical bones. You can kind of see them. Here's my boots. New Rock, ready to stomp in my house here. Black New Rocks. Got my bracelets and my rings. I'm ready to go for DOS Machine online edition with an interview from Ronan Harris from VV Nation tonight, 8 p.m. Central Time. Woo! I hope you enjoyed my look here and enjoy my content. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Good night, my little darklings. Have a nice evening. Bye. Bye.